ಬಂತಾ
ಬಂತು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ
ಆಯ್ತಾ Hey all, good noon. This is Priya from Vastra Avarna, Bangalore. So hope you're all doing good, friends. So this is after long time we are doing the live show actually. Volume ಇದು ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ನಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ
ನಂದ okay. So on today's show we are coming up with exclusive new arrivals completely for today's show. Those who want to place an order, take screenshot, connect with us on WhatsApp. So all these are like completely new arrivals. The range starts from 650 onwards. Hope my video and audio is clear. If not, kindly comment in the comment box. Hi, hello, good noon. So if you want to place order, take screenshot and you can place order through WhatsApp. We have given everything on the description box. So ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ಶಾಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಮಗೂ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಹಾಯ್ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕಾ ಕುಬೇರನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಹಾಯ್ ಸ್ವಪ್ನ ಇಂಕತ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. So just 2 minutes I'll start the show. Group ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ?
ಕೊಡಿ ನಾನು ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಡಿ. ಹಾಯ್ ವಿಜಯಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್. So today's show the range starts from 650 onwards. Hi Bhagya Suresh ma'am, welcome, welcome. So if you want to place order, take screenshot, connect with us on WhatsApp. The range starts from 650 onwards. So let me start the show. All these are soft. Detane haapla. So this is how the saree looks. All these are beautiful. It's a Banaras semi-silk saree. Either side of the saree you have a plain border. So the entire saree has got the beautiful zigzag design. And this is how the pallu looks. It's a copper design pallu. And this is the blouse. The blouse is completely a copper weave design. So this is priced at 650. Free shipping all over India. ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ನೋಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Yeah. So this is how the Brazo saree. We don't have anything in new, ma'am. Tomorrow we already uploaded all the videos in Instagram, ma'am. Please check it out. So this is the first saree for today's show. So the entire saree has got the beautiful zigzag pattern. So all these are like either side of the saree you have a contrast satin border. So this is how the pallu looks. The pallu has got the beautiful zigzag pattern, same, and this is the copper designed blouse. Priced at 650, free shipping all over India. If you want to place order, take screenshot, connect with us on WhatsApp. Kalai, anga mention பண்ணுங்க Kalai. Kalai, contact number mention பண்ணுங்க. So we have colors in this on the same design actually. So this is the zigzag pattern. So whatever we are showing, we have these many colors are available in this particular pattern. So my throat is not good actually. If not, if it's not correct, kindly connect with me on WhatsApp or you can comment in the comment box. We will reply all your queries. Hi Pratiksha ma'am, hi Anita ma'am, welcome to Vastra Avarna. So either side of the saree you have a plain border like this, priced at 650. So this is the royal blue color, whatever I showed, and this is the navy blue color. So priced at 650. If you want to place order, take screenshot. All these are soft, normal wash at home. So we have a bottle green. 650 only, free shipping all over India. Hi Varna ma'am, welcome. So these are the colors available in this particular design. So this is the zigzag pattern on the entire saree. So either side of the saree you have a contrast same simple border like this. It's a normal plain border. Thank you so much ma'am. This is how the pallu looks and this is the blouse. So if you want to place order, we have given number on the description box. Please do check out and you can place order on WhatsApp. See, this is the second design what we have in this range. This is also priced at 650. Free shipping all over India. So this is also priced at 650. Free shipping all over India. So this is actually a yellow color. So if you want in uniform sarees also, we can provide you this kind of sarees. So this is the pallu and this is the blouse. So 650 only, free shipping all over India. All these are soft sarees only, you can easily drape. Normal wash at home. It's a Banaras semi-silk saree. We have colors in this. Black Amadu. So this is a beautiful black shade with the diamond pattern. 650, free shipping all over India. So this is a green color. We have a navy blue color. So all these are beautiful designs priced at 650 only. If you want to place order, you can take screenshot, connect with us on WhatsApp. So this is a grey color. And this is actually a teal green. All these are beautiful range priced at 650, free shipping all over India. So if you want to place order, take screenshot, connect with us on WhatsApp. So this is how the saree looks. So this is a beautiful saree. So this you can wear for any kind of small function as well. So very pretty collection. Pallu in a affordable range. This is how the blouse looks. Priced at 650, free shipping all over India. So next I'm moving on to the linen cotton saree actually. All these are digital linen cotton collection. So this is priced at $8.99. This is priced at $8.99. Black or okay. So the entire saree has got the beautiful floral design running throughout the saree. So this is how it comes with the running pallu and you have a plain contrast blouse like this. So priced at $8.99, free shipping all over India. We have colors and designs in this. I'll show you. All these are branded ones. All these are branded ones actually. So this is a beautiful bluish color with orange color border. Whatever the border color you see, the same color contrast blouse you will get. So we have this color. All these are pastel shades, very beautiful colors. So it's a linen cotton saree, very soft, nice to drape. All are floral printed collections. So priced at $8.99, free shipping all over India. 6.30 meter saree, normal wash at home. See this one, this is a beautiful floral design. So running entire saree you have got this floral design. All these are very trendy. So priced at $8.99, free shipping all over India. If you want to place order, take screenshot, connect with us on WhatsApp. So we have two stores located at Banshankari 3rd stage, Bangalore. One is at Oscarelli and other one is at Itmadagu. This off and off pattern. So next, this is a beautiful black shade. So this is a kind of off and off pattern. So I'll show you. All these are very beautiful, pretty ones. So very pretty shades on the entire saree. Either side of the saree you have a contrast border. So the pallu is same. It's a running pallu. And you have this kind of printed blouse priced at $8.99. All these are soft, nice to drape. Colors kodima. Okay. So all these are different designs available on the same price, $8.99. It's a linen cotton, soft, easy to drape. And next we have this color also. All these are beautiful pastel shades with a digital printed saree, priced at $8.99, free shipping all over India. If you want to place order, take screenshot, connect with us on WhatsApp, else you can directly book through website vastraavarna.com. So next time, moving on to the Warli prints with the Madhubani printed design. It's a beautiful saree. I'll show you how the saree looks. Price, Madhu?
1100.
1100. See, this is a beautiful Warli design. This is also a semi-silk saree. So I'll show you how the saree looks. The entire saree has got the Madhubani design and the Warli printed design. See, it's a very, very beautiful. Either side of the saree you have a contrast border. So the entire saree has got the Warli design. And this is how the pallu looks. It's a beautiful digital printed pallu. And this comes with the contrast blouse. You have the sleeves. The same design is for the sleeves. So this is priced at 1100, free shipping all over India. So this is priced at 1100, free shipping all over India. If you want to place order, take screenshot, connect with us on WhatsApp. Else you can directly book through website. We have colors in this as well. So we have a colors. Hi Nitishri ma'am, how are you? It's a long time. So all these are 1100 actually. Very, very pretty shades. So we have different designs as well in this. I'll show you what are all the different designs available. We have with the plain one, only on the border we have design. And this is the entire saree has got the beautiful digital printed one. All these are 1100 only, free shipping all over India. See, this is how the saree looks. Very, very pretty saree. So all these are digital printed collection in Madhubani and Warli prints. So it's a very pretty one. The entire saree has got the beautiful design like this. And this is how the plain blouse looks. Priced at 1100, free shipping all over India. So we have different colors in this. I'll show you. This is a beautiful red color with the mustard yellow color border. So we have a blue with beige color border. Yes ma'am, Purnima ma'am, actually we have completely held up in the new store due to Varmahalakshmi. That's why ma'am. And I was not well also. So this is how the saree looks. Odam sarila ma'am. Apro fulla Varmahalakshmi la customers pakarke seriya irundha ma'am live panna mudiyala. So next time moving on to the plain one. This off and off button. Okay. This is actually a partly pallu type. Thank you ma'am. Thank you so much. So I'll show you. This is the partly pallu design. So the either side of the saree you have these kind of printed ones. It's a very beautiful. This is the pallu, and for the this is the pallu. Sure ma'am, sure. Thank you so much. And this is the blouse. And for the pleats you have this kind of design. For the pleats you have this kind of design. It's a partly pallu pattern. So priced at 1100, free shipping all over India. So we have different colors in this. The body is beige only. So this color will be different. The border is beige actually. Rest all the color is different. Idu vere alva?
Illa same orange.
Okay. So this is the pink color. So all these are 1100, free shipping all over India. Ma'am, Geeta ma'am, this is actually semi-silk only. So it's a khadi semi-silk. It's not stiff. Easily you can drape ma'am. It's a khadi semi-silk with the digital printed Madhubani and Warli printed design. We have both the designs. So priced at 1100, free shipping all over India. So we have one more pattern in this. Two cycle.
ಇದು ಬೇರೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ವಾರ್ನಿ ಇದೆ ಇದು ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Okay, so we have different designs actually. So if you want to place order, kindly take screenshot and you can connect with us on WhatsApp. If you want to see in full view also, we will send you through, we will send you video. So this is the pallu and this comes with the contrast blouse. All these are like partly pallu design. Only for the pleats you will get this design and for the pallu. Khadi semi-silk with Madhubani prints and Varli prints, priced at 1100. So we have different colors in this as well. If you want to place order, take screenshot, connect with us on WhatsApp. All the colors and designs are very pretty in this. It's a soft, nice to drape, new arrivals actually. 1100, free shipping all over India. All the colors are very pretty in this. So we have a pink shade. If anyone wants to see any particular saree to be opened, kindly comment in the comment box. I'll open it for you. All these are beautiful collections. So next I'm moving on to the linen silk saree actually. So this comes with a beautiful copper design. So we have a pastel shades as well as we have a darker shades. If you don't want darker shade, kindly go for pastel shades as well. All the colors are very pretty in this. See how rich it is, the weave. So the price is also very much affordable. This is a beautiful wine shade.
1200.
This is a beautiful wine shade. Free shipping all over India. See the design, how rich it is. All these are weave. It's not print. It's a beautiful weave. This is the back process of the weave. It's completely very pretty saree. This is how the pallu looks. The pallu has already got tassels. It's completely a rich weave and this comes with the plain blouse like this. So priced at 1250, free shipping all over India. 1250 Alvama.
1200.
Sorry, 1200, free shipping all over India. So this is a beautiful linen silk saree. It's a very pretty linen silk saree. So comes with the rich pallu and the plain blouse you will get. So this is a beautiful linen silk. The entire saree has got the beautiful weaving design. Priced at 1200. So next we have in the same design we have colors. Yes, single saree also free shipping. So the same design we have colors. So priced at 1200. So we have a grey, silver grey color. 1200. All this gives a very rich weave. Correct ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಇದು ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ, ಪೇಜೇ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇದು ಯಾರ್ದು? So hope my video is clear to everyone. Hope my video is clear to everyone. Please let me know if my video is not clear. கலை கரெக்டா வருதா வீடியோ ஒரு தடவை செக் பண்ணுங்க. So we have a beautiful red shade. Red alvama. It's a beautiful red shade. Yes ma'am. Thank you ma'am. ಅದು ನಮ್ದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. Internet issue.
ಬರೀ ನೆಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ.
So this is, thank you ma'am, thank you so much. So this is a beautiful red shade. If you want to place order, take screenshot and you can connect with us on WhatsApp. This is black amma? Navy blue. So this is the navy blue shade. So this is a beautiful navy blue shade. So all this comes with a rich weave. All these are weave, it's not print. So it gives a rich look once you drape. So all these are soft linen silk saree. And this is a Rama green color. So priced at 1200, free shipping all over India. If you want to place order, we have given number on the description box as well as it's there on the comment box also. We have pinned for you. So you can check out and you can place order. Hi Madhushri ma'am, welcome. So all these are pastel shades, the same design. in copper weave, linen silk, the same cloth, but all these are in pastel shades. So priced at 1200. Hi Divya ma'am, welcome. So priced at 1200, free shipping all over India. All these are beautiful linen silk saree. So this is how the blouse looks. We have colors in this. ಅದು ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಒಂದು ನೆಟ್ಟೆ ಇದೆ.
Okay, ನಂದು ನೋಡಿ. So this is a pastel, it's a kind orange shade. All these are pastel shades only. Priced at 1200, free shipping all over India. 1200, free shipping all over India. All these shades are very, very pretty, nice, easy to drape. It gives a rich look. All these collections are. So this is a sea green color. This is the sea green color. Priced at 1200, free shipping all over India. So this is actually a beige. So this is the beige color. So there is a border design on the peacock. It's very pretty. We have a yellow color. So all these are beautiful shades priced at 1200, free shipping all over India. If you want to place an order, take screenshot and you can connect with us on WhatsApp. All these are very, very pretty shades. All these are beautiful pretty shades in linen silk saree priced at 1200, free shipping all over India. So all these are new arrivals for today's show. Tomorrow we will coming up with another new arrivals. If you want to place order, kindly check out this video again and you can place order through WhatsApp or website. So that's all for today's show friends. Thank you. Have a great day. Take care. Stay healthy. Stay happy. Bye bye.